dumping your gray and black tanks with a macerator pump, it's a little different than the ones with just the pull handles. The macerator pump will have a built-in hose for your discharge hose, which is here. So you just take this hose out. This actually has a donut on it, which will come off. This is what goes into the ground, into your discharge pipe at your campground. This is your release valve. When it's in this position, that means it's closed off. When you turn it this way, it'll open it up. So just keep it closed for now. Take this hose, go ahead and put it inside of your discharge station. You'll have a black tank and a gray tank, like you do on all of them. And this valve here is a little turn knob if the pump is locked up. This is a manual override. You'll just turn it, and that actually turns the pump just to free it up. So once you have your hose in the ground, you'll go ahead and start by dumping your black tank first, then your gray after. The reason for that is, obviously, your black tank's your dirty water. So once that's dumped and completed, you close it off. Then you follow it up with your gray water, which is your clean fresh water, which will help wash this hose through so there's no leftover particles inside. To dump the tanks on this, you'll go ahead and release this black tank valve, leave it open, then you'll have to turn the macerator pump on. It's a red button, and this is a Roadtrek, it's a red button. You just hold it, the pump will start activating. It'll pump all the tank dry. Once it's completed, release the button, come back, close out your black tank, go ahead and open up your gray tank, and then go ahead and hit the button again. Hold the button down until the tanks are emptied. Once it's done, come back, close off your gray tank, and then if you're going to be continuing camping, please don't forget to add chemicals to your black water tank.